Hi there and welcome to JLB Track tutorials. Employees. JLB Track may be used to maintain a register of information and training details relating to each employee. To view the employee screen, firstly select Employees from the main taskbar and then select Employees. To add a new employee, select New from the top toolbar. For simplicity, however, today we'll be looking at an existing record. You should complete the fields under the Details tab, Employee Number, Department using the drop-down field, Given Name, Last Name, Work Email, Home Email, Date of Birth, and then Enable Current Employee. Enter in any relevant notes or information about the employee. Moving to position, enter the job title using the drop-down field, the date employed using the drop-down field, their manager using the drop-down field, employment type using the drop-down field, and manage staff. Enable this if applicable. Select the General Information tab and complete the following: address, home phone, mobile, next of kin name, relationship, mobile, phone and email, and then other relevant information such as tax file number, superannuation fund and super fund number, unique student identification number, police check number and police check expiry date using the drop-down field, and any other using the drop-down field. Select the Details tab and include any necessary information into the Notes box. A register of skills for each employee can be populated through the Training and Competence tab located at the bottom of the screen. Users can add training and competencies to this table by selecting Add Training and Competency at the bottom of the table. A modal will appear. Users then need to assign a training manager, assign a training number if necessary, select the skill from the drop-down field. Skills are added through Security, Configuration Skills. Assign a training manager, select the level of competency, select the date last assessed, select the next assessment date, select the expiry date, if applicable. Select the certificate or license number, if applicable. Select the training provider or competence assessor from the drop-down field, if applicable. And finally, any associated documents, for example, first aid certificate or forklift license, may then be linked to the skill. A record of appraisals for each employee can be populated through the Appraisals tab. Select this tab and complete the following: the appraisal type, the appraisal description. Select the staff member who appraised the employee from the drop-down field. Select the date and add any relevant information to notes. A record of disciplinary action for each employee can be populated through the Disciplinary Actions tab. Select this tab and complete the following: the staff member who reviewed the action of the employee, the action date, interview date, the review date, the warning type. If a manager believes the disciplinary action is very significant or it's been raised a number of times before, he or she may elevate it to a car so that the root cause of the problem can be thoroughly investigated. A separate car will need to be raised and the car number recorded. Add any relevant information to notes. Describe the reason for the warning and describe the action taken. A record of departure details for employees can be populated through the Departures tab. Select this tab and complete the following: the departure date, the departure reason, was an exit interview conducted, and the reason if no interview was conducted. Please note, to edit a current employee, type the name into the search field and select Search. This concludes our tutorial today on employees.